I've seen Lori take on vampires, demons, and evil werewolves, and I gotta say, she can pretty much handle anything.
Tommy, I can't do this.
Okay? Almost anything.
Lori, relax. We're just doing an oral report for geology class. I'll be right up there with you. All you have to do is imagine that you're naked.
Tommy, you're supposed to imagine that everyone else is naked.
You crazy? Deborah Daniels is in that class. I wouldn't be able to concentrate.
Guys, I'm being stalked. And not in the good way. The new school nurse has been following me everywhere.
So?
You don't understand. I had an arrangement with the old school nurse. I'd sit and listen to her talk about her cats, and in return, she'd sign the notes for the illnesses I'd fake to get out of gym.
So I guess you're just gonna have to go to gym again.
You're missing the point. According to official school records, I'm an Ebola-carrying hemophiliac with a mild case of mad cow disease. They're gonna put me in a bubble.
Well, relax, Bubble Boy. I mean, coast is clear.
Merton!
Male nurse Saint-Jacques. Call that a clear coast.
Merton, there's something I need to discuss with you.
Sounds personal.
Bye, Merton.
If it concerns my menopause scare, I'm all better now. Fit as a fiddle. So, oh, that's me. I'll be seeing you.
And sooner than you think.
I used to own this town. Now it's all turned upside down. I wish I could figure out. Do you think it's just a phase I'm going through? Just a phase I'm going through.
Lori, come on. Relax, huh? It's gonna be fine.
You know, you could parlay those shakes into a case of yellow fever like that. Faking illness is easier than most people think.
Yeah, okay, we get it, Merton. You're a good faker.
Not faking! Must be cafeteria cabbage rolls! Ah! Help me. Oh.
Merton. So glad you had a change of heart.
Change of stomach, really. But why quibble?
Oh, hop up. Let me take a look. Head down. Just relax. Just relax.
That was incredible. You must have been the top of your class in male nursing school.
Merton, I have been reading your file with great interest, and aside from a curious array of diseases, you have some very unique interests. For example, you are president of the Gothic Fantasy Club. I like that.
Well, we've been looking for new faculty sponsors since Mr. Schwartz's crossbow accident. You interested?
Oh, thank you. No. But tell me, do your esoteric interests extend into the supernatural?
I dabble.
The occult?
A touch.
The dark arts?
You like to beat around the bush, don't you?
Well, Merton. Saint-Jacques? Yes, I'll be right there. Duty calls. Someone hit Marvin Shapiro's soft spot again. Got to get that boy a helmet. Please, stick around. I'd like to continue our little talk.
Let's just catch up later.
I'd rather you stayed. I wouldn't want your stomach acting up again.
No, really. I'm fine. Healthy as a ho-ho! maybe a little R&R is in order.
Good.
When I see your smile. That's weird. Looks like Tommy.
Magma is formed from molten or partially molten rocks, which form igneous rocks. Suspended crystals and fragments of unmelted rocks may also be transported in a process which Laura will tell you about now.
Magma then migrates to the surface, and an explosion.
Two more, one more, and break it down, funky T.
Tommy, stop it!
I can't. Oh, he's doing the moonwalking.
And then the lava hardens into smooth volcanic rock,
Oh no.
fossilizing everything in its path. Trees, animals, and people.
Can you stand on your hands? Oh. Guys, you will never believe what Milner St. Jacques just did to me in his office. Tell us, Merton, what happened? Okay, I will. He put his hand on my stomach and the pain just went away. It was exactly like the Green Mile. Only 3 hours shorter.
Good for you. We tanked our report.
What happened?
I don't know. Ask the Backstreet Boy here.
I said I was sorry. I don't know what went wrong. It was like somebody had control over my body.
Oh, you're right. Like some higher power made you do jumping jacks.
You did that.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Jumping jacks, the moonwalk, a couple moves from NSYNC's last video.
I think I know what happened.
Really? I'd like to hear this because Tommy here hasn't been able to explain how he danced his way to an F for both of us.
An F? You guys failed?
Yeah, now I'm looking at summer school.
Summer school.
So go on. What do you think happened?
Nervous tension. Very common. You know, try a little St. John's wort. That ought to take the edge off. Milner St. Jacques? Can I talk to you about your doll? You know, the one that looks like Tommy and controls his every move? Hello? Whoa. There must be one for every kid in school. I knew it! St. Jacques is into voodoo. Do you need anything from the cabinet before I close it up?
No. I have all that I need right here, Melton.
So you're a voodoo witch doctor. What's that like?
It's fabulous. And I'm not saying that just because I'm a male nurse. Come. Sit. I have a proposition for you. How would you like to be my apprentice?
Beg pardon?
Would you believe I am over 300 years old? Now, I know I don't look a day over 23, 25 tops.
Yeah, well, do go on.
My mind is tired. I need an heir to whom I can pass on all my knowledge. And with your interest in the occult, you are a natural choice.
Let's see. Pros: mastery of voodoo would provide instant access to women, wealth, and power. Cons: yeah, you know, none. I accept!
Lunchtime. Now, the bones can help you tell the future. Oh, ow! Careful. Voodoo is a very, very serious thing.
Yes.
You try.
Just shake it like
You have done well for your first day, Merton. But your instruction must be carried out in absolute secrecy. The most important rule of voodoo is you do not talk about voodoo.
I won't tell a soul. Tommy, I'm a voodoo apprentice.
You're a what?
Milner Saint Jacques is a 300-year-old Haitian voodoo master, and he's taken me under his wing.
Don't tell me you believe in that stuff.
Believe in it. Tommy, what do you think made you bust a move in geology class yesterday?
Milner St. Jacques did voodoo on me?
Actually, it was me. Although I didn't realize it at the time. Was the moonwalk smooth?
Merton, Lori and I failed because of you.
Miss Andrews has been fairly reasonable since going on antidepressants. Maybe she'll give you a second chance.
Well, Lori's gonna go talk to her later. So let's just hope it works.
Of course it'll work. Especially if you have voodoo on your side.
Miss Andrews. Hi, sorry. I know things got a little weird during the oral report yesterday, but I was kind of hoping that maybe we could have another shot.
Hachika, machika, booyah!
Can I get another chance at the oral report? Of course you can.
Yes. Really?
It's working.
Dingle's playing with girly dolls. Our mission is clear. Hey, Dingle. What you got?
No. Give me that. I need that.
Why? So you can brush its hair and say affectionate things to it.
Are you all right?
You guys are strong. We get you down. We get you down. We get you down.
What are you doing? I'm taunting you. Okay, we need to talk. Please?
Lori? Hey, are you okay?
I was just talking to Miss Andrews, and I just started spazzing out. I don't even know what happened. And
I think I do. All right, Milner St. Jacques. I know all about you and Merton. The dolls, the voodoo lessons. I want it to stop.
So, Merton has told you about our little secret. Well, that is very unfortunate. Especially for you.
Ooh. What, is that a threat? Nursey?
But of course. You're out of your league, Tommy. No human can withstand the awesome power of voodoo.
I got news for you. I'm not exactly human. Now leave Merton alone, or I'll kick your butt back to Hades.
T. Hey, T.
Oh, man. Right. I always get those two mixed up.
Oh, have you? No.
Oh. Stay away from Merton.
Excuse my tardiness, male nurse St. Jacques.
You betrayed me. You told Tommy Dawkins about us. Your apprenticeship is over. But I do have one final assignment for you.
Is it a 500-word essay about what I've learned?
No.
Oh my gosh.
You must eliminate Tommy Dawkins.
Oh! I can't hurt Tommy. He's my best friend.
Oh, how touching. But I'm afraid you will hurt him. No outsider can know my secret and live. Tommy Dawkins must die.
Tommy, there's something weird going on with Miss Andrews.
What do you mean?
Remember today when I talked to her and I freaked out? Well, it just hit me. Maybe it's because she's a witch. We should go run it by Merton. We could kick her butt. Be better than redoing our report.
No, Lori, it's not Miss Andrews. It's male nurse St. Jacques.
What?
He's a voodoo dude and Merton's his apprentice.
Oh! Former apprentice, actually. Oh, find the sledgehammer!
Merton, what are you doing?
My body is trying to crush you. But don't take it personally. I'm under a voodoo spell!
Well, how do we stop you?
There's a doll I made of myself in my locker. Use it to force me to stop.
What's your locker combo? Never mind.
Let's never fight again. Hug.
It's a little too soon for that, don't you think? I still have one or two things to teach you.
Well, I hope it's not how to dress, Mr. Fancy Pants.
This is getting unpleasant. No. That's not good. He's more that way, actually.
For a 300-year-old guy, you sure can take a punch.
Thank you. You're too kind.
Tommy.
I don't get it. How can that guy be so strong?
Here's a hunch. He's using some sort of voodoo. Wait a minute. You guys hold him off. I'll be right back. The Circle of Fortitude. Male nurse St. Jacques taught me this one. He's channeled the strength of all these people. And he's chosen the strongest group in school. The women's field hockey team.
Tommy.
Farewell.
Oh yeah, circle broken, strength gone.
What'd you do, Merton?
Well, knowing that voodoo lay at the root of St. Jacques' strength, I attacked his Achilles heel and disbanded the Circle of Fortitude. Since then, I've been gloating, mostly.
Merton! Remember how that pain in your stomach felt? That was nothing. Bye-bye, Merton. Oops.
Who's teaching who a lesson now, male doll Saint Jacques? You'd better hold it.
Martin, are you whimpering?
Squeaky shoes.
Well, we took care of male nurse Saint Jacques, and Merton helped us get ready for our oral report.
3 S's. Number 1, suck up. You look great.
As for Merton's voodoo knowledge, we made him promise he'd never use it again.
And this concludes our presentation, The Wonderful World of Magma.
Well, except for one last time.